Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beats videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified every time I make a video. So yes guys, we are currently in my bathroom. You guys can see me in the mirror. That's always kind of weird sometimes, you know. Anyways, so as you guys see from the title or the thumbnail, we are gonna be doing my pre-birthday preparation vlog. I know it's a name it, but yeah. So I'm in the bathroom because I'm about to shower and wash my hair. My hair is quite sweaty, so yeah, we're gonna shower right now. But I bought something new yesterday. I bought this loofah. It kind of like you can't wash your back. When I saw it, I said like, yeah, I gotta have that because the rod can't reach my back. The other loofah can't. It can, but it's easier. Anyways, just want to show you guys the yellow in my bathroom. So yes, my yellow at my bathroom. I'm yellow at my room, which I think you guys will also see. So let's roll the clip of my room first. Alright, so yes, that's my room. I yellowed out my room because I want it to be all yellow. And my sister said she's going to decorate. I don't know what she's going to do, but she wanted me to put my room in yellow, so I did that yesterday. So for my hair, I want to I want to wash it and set it for tomorrow, so we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna also do like facial. I'm gonna do my toes, then I'm gonna do my nails. So we have quite a lot to do, and it's now like after 4, so I need to get that done like right now. So yes, by the time you guys see this, I think it's probably either my birthday or past my birthday. I'm not sure when this will be going up, but since it's on my phone, I'll try to edit it tonight or probably like tomorrow evening so I can upload it. Like, yeah. Guys, I don't know, all my sweat. I'm just done bed. But anyways, I just bathe down with my hair. I put on back the symbols because I'm gonna get my hair done, dried, so it will wet up. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. We also have my eyebrows to do as well. Yay! My hair is done. Alright guys, so I know it's kind of dark, but I'm outside. I'm actually gonna be soaking my feet. Well, not soak, just scrub it. Once I cool, I'm just gonna scrub my feet, and then I'm gonna have to put on this. I got this from when I did the box exchange from the time there, and I haven't used it yet, and I wanted to use it today. So apparently it's a foot mask, so I'm gonna scrub my foot and then put on the foot mask. It's supposed to be for like 15 to 20 minutes. Should have probably carried something to entertain me. We're gonna do that, and then I don't know why I have my foot in the water while I have the phone in my hand. Anyways, we're gonna do that, and then I'll get back to y'all. Guys, it looks so weird, but it feels weird too. But it's nice. It feels nice. I'm excited. Yay! Ah! No, sir. It feels weird. Alright guys, my toes are finished, but they're not the best. But my toes broke. That one. So.
wanted something from you. You made me that nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You made me that nothing. Oh. Something from you. You made me that nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You made me that nothing. Oh.
Alright guys, so it's the next day in this our birthday glow up. So the nails were done. As you guys saw last night, I didn't show you properly because it was dark, but these are the nails. If you guys remember, I did these in a DIY press on nail video. I will link that in the cards. But today's my birthday, guys, and I'm gonna pull out the hair and see how it looks. I will not be doing the makeup until later, so I think that part you guys will see later. But in the birthday vlog, if the birthday vlog will come after this, so yeah, stay tuned for that. All right guys, so I just changed out of my clothes, well, the top part. I'm gonna wash my face, I'm gonna fix up my hair in this thing here so I can go and do my makeup. So we're gonna wash our face and start the makeup. All right guys, so I'm actually gonna start my makeup. I need something to like prop this up or something. That's big. I'm gonna look for something to prop this up, guys. Give me a second. Yeah, this look like it can't work. Alright, so I'm about to start my makeup, guys. This is like, it is currently my birthday, the 27th. It's actually 2:08, and I'm just gonna do my makeup now because I went to work early this morning, and now, sorry for not really fun because it's very hot. I'm gonna just wash my face. I'm gonna intend to start sweat yet. So we're gonna do the makeup. So we're gonna speed through my makeup look, and then I'll show you guys the entire thing afterwards.
I've been wanting something from you. You made me that nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You made me that nothing. Oh. I've been wanting something from you. You made me that nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You made me that nothing. Oh. I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh.
Guys, so this is the makeup. It not turn out how I want it to turn out. And right now I'm looking very white, so I don't know how I look so what.
Baby,